Welcome here, and I need help at c squared. And in this problem we're going to look to the zero of this function, and they said here find it algebraically or graphically. Let's try algebraically. First of all, I'm going to list the possible zero, or maybe not. Okay, if you remember, what I'm doing here is what is called the rational root theorem. So we have a bunch of possible roots, but two of them are positive one and negative one, right? Of course, there are so many others, a lot of them, a lot. I'm not going to stay and check all of them. I'm going to try the two easy ones, these two. So how I do that? I'm going to use the Remainder Theorem or the Factor Theorem. Either one is good. Here is the same thing, right? So here I'm going to plug one in. Okay, and if you do this math, you're going to notice this is not zero. So 1 is not one of the zero. On the other hand, if we do negative 1, that will be 0. You want to check this, go ahead and check it. But this is 0, which is good, is very good, because now I know negative 1 is 0. Okay, I have one of them, right? I have one of the 0. I need to find the other two, right? So also let me write here this x plus 1 is a factor. It's also good to know. So now, how am I going to do the rest of them? Right? The rest of them, we're going to do them by using synthetic division. Okay, so we have 1x cubed, 2x squared, minus 109x, and minus 110. Okay, then the 0 was negative 1, or the factor was x plus 1, so we need to put a negative 1 there. Always grab the first number, in this case is 1. Negative 1 times 1 is negative 1. We add this, we get positive 1. And negative 1 times 1 again is negative 1. If we add this together, we get negative 110. Negative 1 times negative 110 is positive 110. If you add them, we get 0. We should expect to get 0 because this, we knew it by using the remainder theorem or the factor theorem. But now I have here what? X squared plus x minus 110. We have this reduced polynomial, how we called. So basically, if we want to factor that out, that will be x minus 10, x plus 11. So basically, we have the other two zeros, which are given by these factors, right? X minus 10 equals 0. That will give you x equals 10, and x plus 11 equals 0. That will give you x equals negative 11. So we have all three zeros now, okay? I'm going to clear this screen now. Remember the zeros. In fact, I'm going to put them again, right? So there were x equals negative 1, x equals 10, and x equals negative 11, right? Using the algebra. Now I want you to take a look to this picture, right? We can see on this picture, the way I have the picture here on the screen, we can see that 10. This one. This is the negative 1 and 0. This is the 10 and 0, the point, right, the intercept. And obviously this one is negative 11 and 0. So usually what I do, if I do not see the 0, is to use a graphing utility, a graphing calculator, get at least one of the 0 and use synthetic division instead of using the rational zero theorem, which sometimes can be long. If you enjoyed this video clip, if you learned something, don't forget to click the like button down right and come back on c squared. Thank you.